Mahatma Gandhi, The Power of Peace. Mahatma Gandhi was born in India in 1869. From a young age, he dreamed of making the world a better place, but he didn't know how. Gandhi grew up, studied law, and became a lawyer. He traveled to South Africa to work, where he saw people being treated unfairly. This made him sad and angry, but he did not believe in fighting with fists or guns. Instead, he believed in the power of peace. In South Africa, Gandhi started his first peaceful protest. He refused to follow laws that treated people differently based on their skin color. People laughed at him and said he was too weak, but he never gave up. Slowly, more people joined Gandhi in his peaceful protest and they began to see changes. When he returned to India, Gandhi saw that his own country was not free. The British controlled India and the people were very poor. Gandhi wanted to help. He told the people of India, "We don't need to fight with weapons. We can fight with the truth and peace." Gandhi led marches, boycotts, and peaceful protests. One famous protest was the Salt March. British leaders had made salt very expensive, but Gandhi said, "Salt belongs to everyone." He led people on a long walk to the ocean where they made their own salt. The world watched, and Gandhi's message of peace grew stronger. Years later, in 1947, India finally gained independence. Gandhi was proud, but he always reminded the people to stay peaceful and united. His life showed that we can change the world with peace, not violence. Today, people everywhere remember Gandhi for his courage, kindness, and belief in peaceful change.